Today I am going to walk you through how to fix Messenger not working. There are a few basic things you can try whenever Facebook Messenger isn't working as accepted, and I will share with you every one of them. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure that your internet connection is reliable. Just go to your setting and tap on Wi-Fi. Then switch it off if it has a weak signal. When you do that, you will switch to using cellular data, and you can also do the vice versa if your cellular connection is weak. You can just turn off your data and switch to Wi-Fi. The next thing is that to make sure that you are using the latest version of Facebook Messenger. You can check that out by opening up the Google Play Store and then tapping on the search bar at the top and search for Messenger. It will show you either open or update. If it show you open, your Messenger is full up to date. If it show update, you should update it. All of your app should be fully updated, otherwise the app may experience problem. The next step is to contact the support team and then get some support and assistance with your app to do. Just go to your email app and compose an email and send it to support.facebook.com with the subject line issue with the Messenger app, and then go into the technical information on what's happening, like whatever problem you are facing while using Messenger. Hopefully they will reply to you with a fix. The last thing you can try is clearing out your data app, which we can do by going to your setting and then just search for Messenger. Here you can just simply clear all of your data which is stored. What this generally does is free up storage and clear all the bugs and stuff that might have happened while using the app. So that is for today. If you have any question about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to this channel. Thank you.